Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about viewpoints. So, to get us started, you have a few ways that you can actually access viewpoints. You can either go from the left-hand menu to your list of viewpoints and then hit preview to start to see kind of what's going on, what are the different um, combinations of components and references that are available for you to consume. Or you can actually use the search bar, or if you'd like to hit Command K or Control K and search for a specific component type, that's going to enable you to access viewpoints as well. So in this case, I'm simply going to search for a component that I'm interested in understanding a little bit more about. And you'll notice that you have your very first viewpoints depicting all the different connections that are available or all the different references that are available for this particular application right here on my landing page in my component overview section. If I wanted to get a larger list of viewpoints that are available for SAP CRM, I can simply click on the Viewpoints tab, and now I'll be able to see that I've got a few different options here. So maybe I want to actually understand the very first view that was present for me, which is my application overview. Here I can see that I have access to the different relationships that SAP CRM has, both in my incoming and my outgoing references. But maybe I instead want to understand, what does my application integration look like? So I have the ability to pivot quite quickly to another viewpoint. And now I'm getting a better understanding of my application integrations. Similarly, you can also change the context that you're looking at. So instead of looking at SAP CRM, maybe I want to understand Slack's integrations and how does this application actually integrate with other apps in my IT stack. So you can see how quickly you can actually pivot between not only the context, but the viewpoint type. And this is available for you kind of ready to go out of the box. If at any point you actually want to go ahead and edit any of this information, you can right click and do view and edit. This opens up the component overview page again, the same place we found our viewpoints, but now in the Fields tab, giving you a little edit icon to actually come in and start modifying your field information as well. So your viewpoints are not only a way to consume component and relational information, but to also action on it and make updates and changes as necessary. Once you're ready to go ahead and save this view, or if you don't want to save it, you can always exit out. Viewpoints have been baked in and are already saved. If you do make modifications to the view, you do have the ability to save it as a brand new viewpoint, or maybe add it to a presentation slide. This enables you to continuously iterate upon your architecture templates and to make sure that they're easily accessible across your organization.